class, welcome back to Math with Mrs. Jackson. Today we are doing our chapter practice for chapter 2. And before we begin, we need to start with our name and date. So if your name is Raylyn, you're going to write Raylyn. If your name is Itziel, you're going to write Itziel. If your name is Adriano, you're going to write Adriano. But my name is Mrs. Jackson, so I'm going to write Mrs. Jackson. Okay? And my date is 4-15-20. Okay? So right here it says use the picture to write an equation. And we're working on our 0, adding 0. Okay? So we see 2 dots, so we need to write 2 plus 0 equals, very good, 2. I want you to do number 2, number 3, and number 4 all by yourself. If you need to draw your picture, you may. If you want to use your fingers, you may. If you just know it automatically, fantastic. You do it. Push pause and then push play when you're ready to begin. Use the picture to write an equation. Okay, so for 5, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds, and none of them are flying away. So we have 7 minus 0 equals 7 because we're taking none away. Now let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is our whole. And there's also 7 birds now flying away. So 7 minus 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals 0. Okay? So I want you to do number 7 and number 8 on your own. Pause now and then push play when you're ready. Okay? So number 9 and number 10, number 11 and number 12 are all addition and subtraction. So you have to be careful to see what is your sign. What is your sign? What is your sign? What is your sign? Okay? You can do number 11 and you can do number 12 all by yourself. Now let's look at number 9. I'm going to bring it up closer so we can see the pictures really well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 kids in there. That's tricky, that picture. But there are 8 kids. And how many more are coming? 1 more. So what's 8 and 1 more? Very good, 9. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. Now let's look at number 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 kids. 8 kids in the leaf pile. How many are walking away? Very good. 1's walking away. So now we have 8 minus 1. Very good. It equals 7. So now pause for number 11 and 12. And when you are finished, go ahead and push play again. Right, so on number 13 and 14 and 15, we are doing our doubles. So we were working on doubles, and I see 2 right here and 2 right here. So our double is 2 plus 2. 2 and 2 make 4. Okay? I want you to do your double for number 14. Count them up. Write your part, whole. Okay? Circle the equations you can complete using doubles. So we need to figure it out. What can be doubled for 10? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to write our line. And we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, is there enough for a double? 1 double, 2 double, 3 double, 4 double, 5. So we have 5 and 5. 5 and 5 are our doubles. It's our 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay? So I want you to figure it out for 6. So draw your spots. And let's go ahead and do 3 together. 1, 2, 3. Is it even? Do you have enough to make a double? No. So we're going to cross it. Now I want you to do number 7 on your own. So you're doing 6 and 7. And you're going to write if it is a double, and you're going to circle it. So if it's not a double, you cross it out. If it is a double, you write your parts and you circle it. Okay? All right, so we are going to use doubles to find each sum. 2 plus 3. All right, and we need to use the double 2 and 2. So here's our 2 and 2. 2 and 2 make 4 plus 1 more makes 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more makes 5. All right, now let's see. 2 plus 1 equals. We have our 2 and 2. That's too many, so we have 2 right here. We need to have 1 right here. So cross it out. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay. Find the sum. Write the double you used. So we have 4 plus 5. So we can use the double of 4. Let's go ahead. We're going to draw our stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we need 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our doubles. We have 4 plus 4. What does 4 plus 4 equal? Very good. 8. Double check on your fingers. 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 4 and 4 make 8. I have 4 and 4. But I need 1 more for 5. So now I have 4 and 4 make 8, plus 1 more is 9. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to allow you to do this one. Okay? So your double is still going to be 4 and 4. Go ahead and draw your picture and figure out what goes here. What's going to be your whole here and what's going to be your 2 parts and your whole here. Okay? Push play or pause it now and then push play whenever you're ready to begin again. Add in any order. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it for you so that you can see really clearly what you need to do. So you can have your part, part, whole. Part, part, whole. I want you to do that one on your own. Push play when you're ready for the next part. Use the numbers shown to write 2 addition equations. All right, so we're going to do one together, and then I want you to do the second one yourself. So we have 9, 6, and 3. Now, which one is going to be our whole? Correct. It's going to be number 9 because that is our greatest number. And it's going to take 6 and 3 together to make 9. So if it helps you, make a number bond. Okay. So we know with our number bond that we can easily write our equations. I'm going to do my smallest part and then my biggest part. I'm going to write my whole here. Your whole still needs to go in the same place, but I want to see you make a different equation using the same numbers. Okay? All right, so pause here and then push play when you're ready to continue. All right, so now we are counting on. We're going to add counting on. So using our number line, I would suggest going ahead and picking 2 crayons. So I have a red crayon for one problem, and I'm going to use a blue for my other problem. Okay? That way I can use the same number line. So for my first one, I start at 5 and I need to hop 2 more. So I'll start at 5 and I need to hop 2. 1, 2. My whole is 7. Okay? Now I want you to do this one. Start at 6 and hop 4 more on your number line. Okay? After you've completed this, or pause it now, and then after you've completed this, go ahead and push play again. And I'm going to keep my 2 colors here. So I have my red problem and my blue problem. And this time we're going to do something, we're going to do this similar, only we're going backwards. So we're going to hop back. We're going to subtract back instead of adding on. Okay? So we're subtracting back. So I'm going to start with number 9 because that's my whole. And I'm going to bounce back 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my difference, or my missing part, is 2. Okay? So I want you to do 24. So you're going to start at 10 and you're going to subtract away 5 using your color. Okay? All right, push pause now and then push play when you're ready to begin. Okay. So the last problems are 25 and 26. Okay? So we have 5 minus 3 equals So it wants us to think 3 plus equals 5. So we already know 3, but we need to get all the way to 5. So let's go ahead and write our 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. But we need 5 altogether. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's our missing part? Very good, it's 2. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 5 minus 3 equals 2. I want you to go ahead and do that one for number 26. Okay? So that's your last problem for today in math. Tomorrow we will be doing our Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 tests. So tomorrow I'm going to be just giving you directions through everything and very minimal support. I want to see what your brain can do all by itself. All right, boys and girls, I love you.